Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. I've just done my head shave. I've used the Gillette Labs and I'll be using this again. I did a face shave yesterday with it and it was a great shave. It was really close and it's still really close today. I mean, I can feel a little bit stubble, but nothing major. You know, so and I didn't have any irritation, I didn't have any ingrowns, I've had no issues so far from it. So I'm going to use it again today on a 1 day shave or 1 day growth and just see how it tackles and how my skin pulls up and things. So I've switched my cartridge over again. This is the face shaving cartridge that's in here. 5 blades, a little lubrication strip at the top, and you've got the exfoliating bar here, which is just rock hard plastic, but whether it does something or not, who knows. You've got your little trimming blade on the back, and that's it really. It swivels that way, and it swivels that way. And that is it. It is metal and silicone and plastic construction. There is a weight in here somewhere embedded in the handle. It's not the metal that's heavy, I don't think. It is actually inside here. Very comfortable to hold, it's a great weight and it's fully recyclable, and I think that's a major selling point for these razors and any razor that comes out these days. The cartridge, the handle, the box, the plastic things that the cartridges come in, everything in that box is recyclable, and I think that's a big step in the right direction from Gillette, so hats off to them. You cannot whinge about recycling now. If you buy a razor like this, it is fully recyclable, so you can't really have a go at a company for that anymore with this razor in particular. Not all the razors, but this one in particular. The software for the day is Nivea Men Sensitive Pro. Is it Sensitive Pro? Yeah. Anti-skin stress. I could have just done with anti-stress like weeks and months ago, but anti-skin stress, let's see how that goes. So pop a squirt of that on and we'll get going. I'm not going to use a brush today. I know this stuff lathers because I have lathered it in my hand, and it is actually a pretty good cream, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it tackles or how it works, just putting it on my hand and just rubbing it on like an everyday person would that isn't interested in traditional shaving. But really, these sort of shaves is what it's all about. This is for people out there that never get taught how to shave, never seen the dad shave, dad never showed them, or they didn't have a father figure around, you know, the dad might have passed away, or they got adopted by 2 mums, I don't know, you know, something like that. So 1 squirt of this cream, let's see how much cream that gives me. I didn't even do a full squirt there because I can tell you that's loads already, that's far too much. 1 squirt of that cream will do 3 lathers easily, 3 pass lathers. So there's the cream there. It doesn't look quite appealing in the hand when you rub it on the face. The one thing it's got over the Gillette gel is it smells wonderful. It's a really nice scent. So you'll see just from my hand, you can almost, I'm just going to dip my whole palm in like so. You might see that I can probably almost get a lather going just with my palm, my fingers. So just like with a shaving brush, all I'm doing here is just pushing the hair follicles upwards, trying to get a little bit of lather underneath them. I think I could just be talking rubbish there. You see just on my chin there, it does sort of lather a little bit with the hands. And we'll leave it there. Grab the Gillette Labs, 5 blades. Nice light touch. I am expecting irritation, I might not get it. Using the little blade on the back now. Yesterday's shave was one of the closest shaves I've had in a long time. And yes, it was a cartridge razor that got me there. And it's not to say I can't get a close shave with a double-edged razor, I certainly can. Was it as close as the cartridge razor shave? I don't think so. But this is where cartridge razors fail for me. I can't shave with them every day. And when I'm at work, I have to shave every day. So I've still got this on my hand. So I'm just going to rub that back on again. Just going to dab my hand in the water. Oh, there we go. It's mega slick, and it leaves a lovely sort of, like a, I can't really describe the sensation of it. It feels like liquid silk. If I just to sort of describe it, that's what it sort of feels like, liquid silk, whatever that feels like. So here we go. I'm going to go for a sort of 3-pass shave because I want to really see how this razor allows my skin to feel after doing so many strokes. With 5 blades. Thought I had a bit of blood there, but I don't think I do yet. I mean, in all fairness, there ain't a lot of hair to shave. It's probably not going to look much different at the end as it did at the start. It's a very, very smooth cartridge. Even against the grain, I get no irritation from it in terms of that sort of tuggy pain that you can get sometimes going against the grain. I don't get that with this cartridge. I think that's it. Done and done. Right. So that shade I would say was pretty much as close as yesterday, but what I have noticed is there actually is, whether you can see all these, here, 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 there is one there and there. I don't know if there's any more down here. Seems to be all on this side. Those, there's a little bit of blood there. That one there, that one there, and that one there. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure those are ingrown hairs. So I couldn't really see them before the shave. Obviously the shave has irritated the top layer of the skin, and it has brought out all these little red spots here, which I think will turn into ingrown hairs over the next couple of days. That is the reason why I stopped using these all the time. Great for a wedding, or you know, a party, or a one-off occasion, a night out with the wife, anything like that. I think cartridge razors are very hard to beat. I don't get really any irritation if I just use them once in a blue moon. I haven't had any real irritation from that shave, so I've not got any real redness on my neck. I've went against the grain here, there's nothing. So it has still performed very well, so it'll be interesting to see how it pulls up over the next couple of days. We'll have to shave again tomorrow. I'm just popping some more Zingari Man Unscented on my head and on my face. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up over the next day or so. I will use the Overlander tomorrow. I do find that using a DE razor or a single edge razor or a Chevette for that matter does tend to reduce my risk massively of ingrown hairs. It really does, and ingrown hairs have plagued me my whole life of cartridge shaving, and it was one of the main reasons why I went looking for something else, and what I found was from the past. So the Gillette Labs Razor shaves fantastically well. It does a cracking head shave. I mean, this is 4 days growth I took off today and it was perfect. There's not an issue on my head whatsoever. My skin on my head and my hair on my head doesn't tend to get irritated or get ingrown hairs like my face does. They don't tend to curl and grow in different directions on my head. It's pretty straightforward. This does a fantastic job. On the face, it still shaves beautifully. It's very smooth, it's very comfortable. It's got a lovely weight to the handle, and like I say, it is fully recyclable as well, which is a big bonus. And I don't really have any actual irritation, but I do have spots that look like ingrown hairs, and that was the reason why I switched from these so many, well, 6 years ago now. 6 years, yeah. The shaving cream is a great product. Nivea Men Sensitive Pro Anti-Skin Stress 2-in-1 liquid shaving cream and cleanser. It is a very, very slick product, and I think once I lather it up in a brush, you'll see it's a very, very easy to lather soap as well, or cream. If you do like to lather and you want something simple, one squirt of that and it'll do you for a full shave for sure. And finished off with Zingari Man Unscented, head and face. And really, I can't really grumble about it. It's actually a really nice shave. I'm very happy with it. It's very, very close. Once again, my skin feels lovely and soft. Just these few little spots here that are maybe going to cause me an issue over the next day or two, and maybe a little bit longer. Sometimes it takes a few days to sort out an ingrown. But we'll see how we go, and I'll keep you in the loop. And if I get videos done, you'll see it in the videos. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.